The tomato plant, a beloved staple in gardens across the globe, cherished for its juicy fruits and vibrant presence. But what happens when those vibrant green leaves start turning yellow? It's a sight that can cause any gardener to worry. It's a common problem that can leave gardeners scratching their heads, wondering what went wrong. Yellowing leaves are a sign that your tomato plant is stressed. This stress can be due to a variety of factors. It's like the plant is waving its leafy arms, trying to get your attention, signaling that it needs help. Don't worry, though. In this essay, we'll uncover the mysteries behind those yellowing leaves and equip you with the knowledge to turn things around. We'll explore the common culprits, from nutrient deficiencies to pesky pests, and even environmental factors like overwatering or poor soil conditions, and arm you with practical solutions to restore your tomato plants to their former glory. With the right care, your plants can thrive once again. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. Together, we'll ensure your tomato plants stay healthy and productive. One of the most common reasons for yellow leaves is a nutrient deficiency, particularly a lack of nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for healthy leaf growth, and when it's in short supply, those leaves will start to pale. You might notice the yellowing starting at the bottom of the plant first, gradually moving upwards. The good news is that a nitrogen deficiency is easily remedied. A balanced fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, can work wonders. Look for a fertilizer with a higher first number, which represents nitrogen, in the NPK ratio. Apply it according to the package instructions and watch your tomato plants perk back up. Believe it or not, both underwatering and overwatering can lead to yellow leaves on your tomato plants. When the soil is too dry, the plant struggles to absorb nutrients, resulting in yellowing. Conversely, overwatering can suffocate the roots, leading to a similar outcome. So how do you find the sweet spot? Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply and evenly, ensuring the entire root zone is moistened. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply but less frequently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Sometimes, those yellow leaves are a sign of unwanted visitors, pests and diseases. Tiny sap-sucking insects such as aphids and spider mites can drain the life out of your plants, causing the leaves to yellow and wilt. Similarly, fungal diseases like early blight and fusarium wilt can wreak havoc on your tomato plants. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Look for tiny insects, webbing or unusual spots on the leaves. If you spot any troublemakers, there are a variety of organic and chemical solutions available. Insecticidal soaps and horticultural oils can help control pests, while fungicides can combat diseases. The pH puzzle, finding the right balance for your soil. Soil pH, a measure of its acidity or alkalinity, plays a crucial role in nutrient availability. Without the right pH balance, plants struggle to absorb essential nutrients, which can severely impact their growth and health. Tomato plants prefer slightly acidic soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. This range allows them to access the nutrients they need to thrive and produce healthy, vibrant fruit. When the pH is off, the plants can't absorb nutrients effectively, leading to, you guessed it, yellow leaves. Yellowing leaves are often a sign of nutrient deficiency, which can be traced back to improper pH levels. A simple soil test can determine your soil's pH. These tests are easy to perform and can give you a clear picture of your soil's current state. Home test kits are readily available at garden centres. They come with detailed instructions, making it easy for even novice gardeners to test their soil. If the pH is too high or alkaline, you can lower it by adding elemental sulfur or aluminum sulfate. These amendments help to bring the pH down to a more suitable level for your plants. If it's too low or acidic, lime can raise the pH to the desired level. Lime is a common soil amendment that helps to neutralize acidity, making the soil more hospitable for plant growth. Regularly testing and adjusting your soil's pH can lead to healthier plants and more bountiful harvests. By understanding and managing your soil's pH, you can create the ideal growing environment for your garden. Feeling the heat temperature stress on tomato plants. Tomato plants thrive in warm temperatures, but extreme heat can stress them out, causing their leaves to turn yellow. When temperatures soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius, the plants struggle to photosynthesize effectively. To protect your plants from heat stress, provide some shade during the hottest part of the day. You can use shade cloth, old sheets, or even strategically placed umbrellas. Additionally, mulching around the base of the plants can help keep the soil cool and retain moisture. Prevention is key keeping your tomato plants healthy. The best way to tackle yellow leaves on tomato plants is to prevent them in the first place. Prevention is always better than cure, and with a few proactive steps, you can ensure your tomato plants stay vibrant and productive. By following a few simple tips, you can keep your plants healthy and thriving. First, choose disease-resistant varieties. These varieties are bred to withstand common tomato diseases, giving you a head start in maintaining plant health. Look for tomato varieties that are less susceptible to common diseases. Rotate your crops. Crop rotation is essential in preventing the buildup of soil-borne pests and diseases that can plague your plants year after year. Avoid planting tomatoes in the same spot year after year to prevent the buildup of soil-borne pests and diseases. Provide adequate spacing. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to access nutrients and sunlight. Give your tomato plants enough room to grow and breathe. Crowded plants are more susceptible to disease and pest infestations. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases. Water consistently. Consistent watering is crucial for tomato plants, as irregular watering can lead to issues like blossom end rot. Establish a regular watering schedule to avoid stressing the plants. Fertilize regularly. Regular fertilization provides the essential nutrients that tomato plants need to grow strong and produce abundant fruit. Provide your tomato plants with the nutrients they need by fertilizing every few weeks. A balanced fertilizer will support healthy growth and fruit production, ensuring your plants remain robust throughout the growing season. Green thumbs up, conquering yellow leaves for a bountiful harvest. Yellow leaves on tomato plants can be a frustrating sight, but don't despair. By understanding the common causes and implementing the solutions outlined in this essay, you'll be well equipped to tackle this gardening challenge. Remember, early detection is key. Regularly inspect your plants, address any issues promptly, and enjoy a bountiful harvest of juicy, delicious tomatoes.